Okay.
So, I mean, on that one though, you can't really see the olfactory bulb.
Yeah, you just can't see that.
You can kind of
So
see it on
technically, we
those.
can't be tested on it.
No, on this
Yeah,
one you can kind of
but
see.
there are all other models that show
Just
it.
kidding.
No, this one.
See, this one shows it.
Oh yeah, your
Your
olfactory.
olfactory.
Yeah, that's really easy anyways.
So, what is this part called?
Gyri, yeah.
Your what?
It's your insulin.
Okay. Insular cortex, gyri cortex. Okay. Another thing that I don't think he talked about that showed up on my exam is your amygdala. You show me your
Oh, yeah.
amygdala.
He
No, he did
briefly
talk about
mentioned
it.
it like 1 second.
Can you show me your amygdala?
Oh, I don't
This?
No.
Is it this?
Yes. Good job. Good job. Okay, that's your amygdala. Okay.
know. Yeah.
Showed up on mine. I was like, what the fuck is
I
that?
think he's still mad about it. It was a year ago.
Amygdala.
This part right here that he's talking about how it extends around. This is your hippocampus. Okay, hippocampus.
There's so many parts.
Yeah. So
Okay.
we can just
Cool.
deconstruct that.
Is that supposed to be your, what is that supposed to
Are those your are those your sinuses?
Ventricles?
Ventricles. That's what I meant.
be? So that's like the
I'm sorry.
lateral.
That's what I meant. That's what I meant.
Oh my god. Lateral ventricles. You don't need to know which one's one or which one's two.
Is
Do
there-
doctors
Lateral?
even
I
know
thought it was
which
just
one's
kind
one?
of
They're just
like
gonna be your right and left
arbitrary.
ventricle. Why they would call them one and
The,
two is a mystery.
The one that you were talking about,
Yeah.
it's right here. I forget the name for it. It connects
The
the two
connections,
lateral.
yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't remember the
on our
name.
exam, it was like on our lecture exam, like what connects the lateral ventricles to the third ventricle.
I thought I was asking about the. Foramen of Monroe.
Oh yeah, yeah, no, he's
Foramen of
right. No,
Monroe.
he's definitely right.
Something
Foramen
like
of
that.
Monroe.
That
Those
sounds
are
familiar.
Monroe.
It sounds vaguely familiar.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, obviously your third ventricle
Okay.
would be hidden. Your cerebral aqueduct is like inside of there. Here's
Yeah.
your fourth ventricle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Are those your peduncles at the back?
Yeah. Ramirez pronounces it as peduncles. Peduncles. Yeah, peduncles is right here. Here's your corpora quadrigeminor that I was talking about.
Yeah.
Okay. Your peduncle right here. So is this anterior or posterior view? Anterior, right? So obviously your olfactory nerves here are hidden,
Yeah.
but here is your cranial nerve number 2.
Optic.
Okay, what is this projection called?
Optic chiasm is the middle, and I
It's
don't
an
know what.
optic nerve before it hits the chiasm. Chiasma.
This is the chiasm. That's all I know.
Yeah, optic chiasma. Okay,
Chiasma.
this is your optic tractor nerve.
Tract.
Nerve.
Nerve. Tract.
Tractor nerve.
Tract.
Nerve?
It's the nerve.
What's before it? Yeah, there's a big difference.
Oh, just kidding.
Tractor nerve.
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 Good.
Before the chiasma, it's the nerve.
Good.
I just copied.
I didn't know. So, so yeah.
So what's the difference?
Before the optic chiasma
Yeah.
is the optic nerve. Once it hits the optic chiasma, it then becomes optic tract. Okay?
Is that when it crosses over to?
Yeah. Well, chiasma is where it crosses over.
Okay, understood.
Okay.
Okay.
What are these?
Mammillary body?
Good. Where is?
Damn.
Yeah. So mammillary bodies. Your pituitary gland would be somewhere right here. Okay, it's not here on this model.
Just disappears sometimes.
Just because I don't think that there's a connection that they could have put. Okay.
Okay.
So cranial nerves. So one was hidden, which should have been up here, olfactory. Cranial nerve 2, cranial. Cranial nerve 2.
Yeah.
Cranial nerve 3.
Oculomotor.
Where would that be? Okay, so for the cranial nerves, just focus on one side. Whatever's on one side applies to the other side.
Yeah.
Ocular motor.
It's just gonna be that guy.
So let's just focus on the left side, or
Okay, just getting left
the
side.
right side of this wall.
Left.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that's ocular motor nerve,
Yeah.
number 3. Okay, trochlear nerve is hidden. If you flip this around, this is your trochlear nerve.
Oh,
Yeah.
it goes around.
Troch sounds like you're saying choke, right? So it's like you're choking something, right?
That's a good one.
So it's choking, so it's around,
trochlear,
but it's
okay.
hidden, okay? So 3, 4,
Yeah.
okay, 4, 5 is right in the middle, right here. Trigeminal. There's not it doesn't show the divisions here, but it splits your trigeminal nerve splits into 3 parts, right? You guys should know that too. But there's a model all the way over there that shows it.
Okay.
Okay, so cranial nerve 5, trigeminal. 6, right back to the middle, right here, abducens. Okay. 7
Facial.
have to go to the side. Okay, 7 is right here. This fat one right here. What is 7? Facial nerve. Cranial nerve number 8, vestibular cochlear, which are these 2 right here. So if I point to these 2, those are your cranial nerve 8. Okay, so don't get that confused. So the fat one by itself is 7. These 2 back here together are 8.
Okay.
Okay, 9, you go back to the side. So right here, this is 9. What is
Yeah.
9?
What do we have? VG glossopharyngeal.
Good. 10, vagus, right here. 11,
Accessory. No wait.
yes, accessory.
accessory.
11, 12 is right here. 12, this entire
Hypoglossal.
thing is 12. Okay? What's on one side applies to the other side.
Cool.
Very easy.
Can you go over
Now,
9, 10 again?
9 and 10?
Yeah, I didn't get them on my video.
Oh, okay. So we started here with 6, abducen. 7 is right here, facial. These 2 back here, the fat ones, are vestibular cochlear. 8. 9 is right here by itself. Okay.
Oh, okay.
10, the long one. 11, accessory, right here.
And then,
This one here, 12 is right here.
okay.
Okay. Now,
I low-key thought
9,
though
10,
that.
and 11 are like just like
Yeah, on
like
top of
this.
each other.
Wait, can I say something though? I low-key thought that the accessory looked. Oh, I'm breaking things. Accessory was like branchy.
I think it goes down.
no, it's the long one that extends down.
It goes into your spinal cord.
Yeah, I think you're getting it confused with vagus, because vagus would be the branching one as well. Yeah. Anyways, we're not done with this model yet because
Broke it.
this was your insular cortex, right?
Yeah.
Now we take that apart.
Oh, it's that red thing in the middle.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, so if we take that insular cortex out, we have what's called,
So you like.
good, cingulate gyrus.
What was that?
So scared.
Cingulate.
Singulate.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah, your
Cingulate?
caudate nucleus. Okay? If we take that out,
Whoa, you can take it out.
you see this part right here. This is your lentiform nucleus. Okay?
Yeah.
It looks, lentiform is like a bean, right? So it looks like a bean, right? So if we take that out, which I can't on this model, but there's 2 sides, or there's 2 parts that make up your lentiform nucleus. Okay? The first part is, you guys should know this,
No, that's the other thing on top of it. Oh, we did do this.
right? So you take out that lentiform nucleus, you have 2 parts. You have one that's kind of like on the lateral side and one that's on the medial side. So the medial side would be your
Right.
globus pallidus.
Okay, got the P right.
Okay? Globus pallidus. Okay? Whatever, so that would be the medial. What's on the lateral, that's your putamen.
Could they test us on that?
Yeah. There's a model that actually shows it. So
Okay. Wait, so globidus, what was it?
globus pallidus,
Globus pallidus and
putamen.
putamen.
Oh,
I
okay.
remember Pooty.
That
Yeah.
sounds vaguely familiar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Putamen.
Yeah, your caudate nucleus would be the entire thing. Okay?
Okay.
What are those little like
Oh yeah, here's your pineal gland.
your what?
Your
Pineal.
pineal.
What are all the little like these things? These little
Those are your
teeth-looking-
corona radiata
Oh, okay.
that sends it down. Yeah. Okay, but he won't ask you that.
It just looked
Well, maybe
natural.
it's just like